Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, we need a stereoisomer of cyclopent 4-ene 1,3-diamine that is also a meso compound. So cyclopent 4-ene 1, 3-diamine. Right, so we know we have from cyclopent, right, a 5-membered ring. And we know from 4-ene that we have a double bond between carbons 4 and 5. Let's call this carbon 4, let's call this carbon 5, which makes this carbon 1 and this carbon 3. And that's where we have our amines and H2 groups. I'm going to draw this without stereochemistry for now. And we need to draw this as a meso compound. Well, what do we know about meso compounds? They contain 2 or more asymmetric centers or stereocenters and an internal plane of symmetry, an internal mirror plane. Right? So the 2 example molecules that were included here are meso compounds, right? This contains an mirror plane right down the middle. The other example molecule contains a mirror plane that bisects the carbons with the groups on them. And so we can do the exact same thing here. As long as we put wedge to both or dash to both, let's do wedge to both, wedge to this one, wedge to this one, we get a rather obvious internal mirror plane of symmetry, right? This is the mirror image of that, which is the mirror image of that, mirror images all around, right? So it's somewhat trivial once we've drawn out the skeleton to just draw a wedge to each amine group to get our meso compound.